Hi everyone, this is Galen Martling. Today I'm sharing a pretty wedding card. It's a toast cocktail style card for a wedding, but of course it could be for any occasion. This is just what I'm choosing to do for today. I'm using Spellbinders Glimmer of the Month for January 2025, and that is that beautiful background pattern. And I'm also using the Glimmer system to foil and add hot foil to sentiments. So I pre-foiled some sentiments and then I foiled some extra ones for this particular card. And one of those is a Betterpress press plate that also can be foiled using the Glimmer hot foil system. I'm using this Glimmer of the Month, this beautiful pattern. I love it as a background. And I'm using the Aura glimmer that comes with it. So when you get the Glimmer of the Month, you also get a foil, and it's wonderful. So I'm using it today, and I'm decided to use a color cardstock in like a teal color, and I just layer this and sandwich the hot foil system there and the plate system, and then run it through the die cutting machine to press that foil into the paper. And that's what it looks like. It's so pretty. And that's the hot foil glimmer plate I'm placing on the cooling area there, just so I don't burn myself. And then I just kind of give it a few swipes in the air to cool it off and remove the foil. And look how pretty. That's so pretty. This could be die cut or trimmed. I used my paper trimmer to trim it a little bit smaller than my card base, which is an A2 size. And then I adhered it with flat double-sided tape to the card front or the card base. And when it was all ready to go, I decided to start building the card with cocktail. So I decided to add an oval behind this cocktail glass so it would show up a little better. Since I do have color cardstock, so I just put an oval in the background. I pre-assembled and die cut all of these pieces from the Love on the Rocks collection by Spellbinders. I love the glass and the cocktail, different colors you can use. And I pre-die cut and assembled this strawberry mixer area there with hearts, and these are some of the sentiments that I hot foiled also. I hope you give it a try, and I hope you like this project. It was so fun to do and so easy with just one big plate in the background that shimmers. So if you have any questions, please feel free to ask me. Take a moment to like and share if you will, and have a wonderful day.